I showed you how to create statements for your customers to show them a history of their invoices, payments, and basic account activity. But you can add a line item transaction directly to their account with something called a statement charge. A statement charge is a way of adding a line item directly to their account register that affects their balance without sending them an invoice. To create a statement charge from the home screen, click Statement Charges in the Customer area. This is going to bring up the account register for whatever customer is listed in the Customer Job dropdown. I'm going to change this. I'll change it to Cobie Lucas. You can see on the left-hand side the running tally of all Cobie's transactions. You can see his payments, invoices, checks, and even any credit memos that he's been given. It looks just like a bank check register. To create a new statement charge, it works in a similar fashion to adding something to that check register. I'll make sure I'm in the first available slot, and the first thing to do is put the date that the statement charge occurred. It doesn't have to be in the right place on the left-hand side. Once I change the date and record the entry, QuickBooks will automatically put the date in the right place. Now, I'll select the item. I'll click the down triangle next to item, and here's where I can see a list of all of our items and services. QuickBooks will allow you to put in a sales item, but be warned that the statement charges do not calculate sales tax. If you're going to do a statement charge that contains a taxable item, you're better off creating an invoice. In this case, I'll add a service item. I'll update the quantity, and I can even adjust the charge if I want to. In this case, I'll make it a little bit cheaper. I can even change the description of it. When it's all done, at the bottom of the screen, I can click Restore to clear the value and start over, or I can click Record. The statement charge has been created. The date has been put in the appropriate place in the register. You can see that the customer's ending balance has been changed to reflect that charge. When I'm all done, I can click the X on the top right-hand side to exit the statement charge area. So that's how easy it is to add simple transactions for a customer without having to send them an invoice.